All right, hello AP Computer Science students, happy Monday, and just wanted to give a brief intro of what's going on today. Mainly just go to today's folder, click on the directions, and you can see the things to be working on. It's mostly just a work day getting ready for tomorrow's test in Chapter 6, Part 2. Practice test is the big one to be working on, and then the programs from this chapter are also good ones to be working on. So you can see them listed here and linked here. So just click in here and work your way through. If you don't have access to an editor, remember there are online editors you can use in your Chromebook. If you just search for like Java editor, like online Java editor. And I think I've used this JDoodle a little bit. I haven't checked out some of the other ones, but I know I used REPL at one point, though I'm not sure that one might make you pay money now. But anyways, you can always use those if you need them. You can always type them out in a text program. You can write them on a paper. Just make sure you're getting them done and be as ready as you can for tomorrow's test on Chapter 6, Part 2. All right, that's it. I am at work today, so if you have any questions, reach out. Just send me an email. All right, have a good day. Bye.